Okay, good day, guys. Just wanted to let you know about this assignment under science for Wednesday. This one's due on Wednesday, April the 8th, which is today. All right. On one of the assignments for science, you'll see that it'll say do TEKS practice chapter review page 346 to 349, 1 through 8. All right. And the assignment is going to be what you see right now on the screen. Right, it says TEKS practice chapter review, and you have 8 questions. Well, what I need you to do for this assignment is I want you to make sure that you either you make a copy of it if you have a printer at home, or you can just simply write the answers on a separate sheet of paper. All right. Now, the reason why you have to write down the answers on a separate sheet of paper is because right next to this assignment, I'm going to have a form, and that form is going to look like this. All right, go ahead and access it for you. The form looks like this. It says TEKS practice chapters review, and you're gonna have to put in the answers next to that form. Like, say for example, number 1, if you think that the answer is letter D, then you're gonna select letter D. Then you go on to number 2, and of course you keep putting in the answers, right? So it's not going to have the questions and the diagrams and the graphic features on the form answer sheet. That's why it's very important for you to make sure that you either, again, make a copy of the sheet of this TEKS practice sheet, practice review, chapter review, or you write down the answers on a separate sheet of paper while you answer the questions while you look at your screen. All right. So, and another thing about this particular assignment, let me go right back to the test itself, is that when I say that you have to do the TEKS practice chapter review, this is going to be found in your ebook for chapter 7, lesson 2. All right. Let me see if I still have it up there. I should be able to see it. And it's this one right here. Take a little bit of time to load up, but hopefully it won't. It comes out straight from your ebook from that I added as a link, and it's again this one. It's the ebook chapter 7, lesson 2. How does the Earth move? And you're gonna move all through the screen. You're gonna click on the next until you get all the way to the page for the review, which is, again, it starts on page 346. I'm gonna keep going fast through it, so that way you know exactly what I'm talking about. Again, the chapter 7 review, or the TEKS practice chapter review, starts on page 343. Right now I'm on 339, and I'm gonna keep going. I think I already passed it. Let me go back. And no, it's not 343. I'm sorry. My apologies. It's 346. There it is. Page 346, TEKS practice chapter review. And there are the questions right there. Okay. Hopefully you understand. It's got a series of 8 questions. Now, another thing that you have to look at very carefully, like say for example, number 1, your answer choices are A, B, C, and D, but number 2, the answer choices are F, G, H, and J. Well, on the form, the F will be represented by letter A, G will be represented by letter B, H will be represented by letter C, and letter J will be represented by letter D. So if you think that the answer for number 2 is letter G, then on the form, you're going to select the answer letter B. All right. Let me go to that so that you can see what I'm talking about again. There's the form right there. And if we look at number 2, you see how it says A, B, C, and D. But on the chapter review, the answers were F, G, H, and J. Right? So, again, be careful with that. All right? Other than that, I'll see by the end of the day on Tuesday, I'll have an answer sheet for you. But As soon as you submit the answers, you'll see which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. Review the ones you got wrong, please. All right. Have a good day.